So now we're going to start on Lesson E. And before we start in with Lesson E, to get a grasp of this particular lesson, I want you to review what DNA replication is and what protein synthesis is, and go through the steps of transcription and translation. Throughout this particular lesson, we're going to be focusing in on viruses and what they end up doing to the body. Some of the things that I want you to know before class is the term obligate intracellular parasite and what that actually means, and to be able to understand it. I want you to understand and know the structure of viruses and the different stages of the life cycle of animal viruses. You will also need to review and understand how each one of the 6 different classes of viruses end up replicating inside of a host cell. We're going to be spending some time on understanding what bacteriophages are and how they can infect a bacteria. And at the end of this lesson, I want you to get kind of a grasp over what prions are. During class, we'll take those concepts that you learned about viruses and we're going to discuss them. We will review the life cycle of animal viruses to make sure that you guys understand it, along with the different classes of the viruses, so you guys get a firm grasp on how each one of the viruses can end up replicating inside of a host cell. We will talk about how viruses end up causing damage to the body, and at the end, we're going to talk about how prions are so dangerous, but they're kind of cool because we don't know much about them. At the end of this lesson, please complete the Lesson E quiz that is on campus.